Kim Kardashian, is that you? Chos. Guys, this is how I lost my mommy pooch after my C-section delivery. Hi guys, it's been a while since my last video on this and so many of you ordered this. So I'm sharing it again. So this is my secret on how I got my flat stomach back after my C-section delivery. This is a waist trainer or binder. We'll be answering commonly asked questions. So first question is, can you use this freshly postpartum? I don't think so, or it's best to ask your OB. I believe that the binders that you should use freshly postpartum should be yung mga stretchy. So I think this is okay pa nga mga after 3 months. What I like about this guys is super laki niya. So mag-demonstration tayo paano ko siya sinusuot. Ang nice dito guys, kasi 3-layer siya. So, very customizable. Start sa taas. So, 1. And then, so I start sa baba na naman. I'm bikini cut. So, dito ko siya nilalagay. Sa medyo baba talaga. And then, 3rd layer is sa center. Tight, but not too tight. Yung comfy lang. Oh. This is how I wear it, and usually I wear it within the day or at night when I'm sleeping. Perfect talaga to guys. Mas snatch talaga ang waist nyo. I'm pretty sure pwede talaga mag-binder. Kasi diba guys, sa hospital, binibigyan naman talaga tayo ng binder if you give birth. Para mag-shrink talaga yung loose skin guys. That's the reason why magbabinder tayo. Mga nagtatanong kung o mag-tighten daw ang skin natin balik. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung 1 year postpartum na daw sila, pwede pa ba daw sila mag-binder? Yes, guys. Actually, even before I got pregnant, I was already using waist trainer. I really believe in the power of waist trainer. Think of waist trainers as a molder, guys. Like, diba? Kung mag-mold tayo ng ice cubes, kung anong mold natin, edi ganun yung shape niya, diba? So, that's my logic with waist trainers. So, it's not a secret like, pag mag-waist trainer ka, biglang ma-shrink na talaga. Syempre, it will take time. But, it will really help. Lalo na if you use it within the day, hindi ka ma-feel na gutom, guys. Pero, syempre, wag nyo naman super tight na mahihilo na kayo. Yung comfy lang pa rin. So, yeah. Secret, and this is very affordable, guys. I think it's only 200 plus pesos. I found it here on TikTok. I used to buy the expensive one, but it works the same, I swear. So if you're interested, I'll be linking it again for those mommies who haven't seen my past video.